WinTrader. Today we can check how the live signals working in WinTrader 8.1 version. So for example, here we selected crude oil chart. Crude oil today's market trend in the downtrend is actually, and how a signal, here's already the sell signal generated, so it's working with that sell. It successfully reached its all targets and some re-entry suggestions and all. And again a buy is the chance. If the market go up, then we will get a buy signal. So how the buy signal working, that we can check with this video. So hope we will get a good signal. So we can check these all, because how the signals are working, how to confirm a signal, and how the targets achieve after confirming it, how the targets are achieving, and especially the re-entry suggestion how working, that you can check this with this video. Here already sell signal generated, sell 6311, actually we get the sell signal, and that all the 6297 was first target, 86 was second target, 75 was third target. It's achieved all the target. Actually after the sell signal is 50 more points in profit now. All three targets are triggered. The signal generated at 10:35. So if there any continuation, downtrend continuation, then it will be go down again. You will get re-entry suggestion. Otherwise, is there any uptrend chance? So then if the buy trend chance is there, then we will get buy signal. This are showing some buy trend now, so we can wait for buy signal. Yes, we get a buy signal there. After the buy trend, we get the buy signal there. Here from here onwards you can check. Here after the buy signal, so far is not yet confirmed, because if you want to confirm a buy signal, we have to get the confirmation as the first confirmation, the bottom bar color. The bar color must turn to green, and second confirmation is the price zone. Price zone must be in price in buy zone, and the third confirmation is candlestick color. Candle color must be green. So here you get a resistance level, a red star and bottom blue star. If the candle break the red star only, the chance will go up, the market will go up. So we have to check that thing, if the candle break the resistance level or not. If it break now, definitely which will go up. Yes, it's break and it started by trend, and that is second confirmation showing no zone detected, which means before the buy zone detected, it is shown no zone detected. Yes, it's changed to price in buy zone, so you can confirm it, because the third confirmation is a candlestick color, it's already green. Three confirmation we get signal after green bar, price in buy zone, and candlestick also green. So but after the, because actually the signal generated price was 6271, that time there was no confirmation. After confirmation, at what price you need to enter, maybe you confuse, so that we will get re-entry suggestion. That's a remedy for that, is the re-entry suggestion. Actually buy at 6286. So the current price you can enter by 6286, and its target 6300, which means almost 14 points of target after the signal. It's a minimum decent target for the crude oil, because per point you will get 100 rupees, so 1400 rupees profit, that from one signal. That's more than enough for a minimum trader, is more than enough. And if you after this target again, if the market go up now, then we will get next re-entry suggestion. That time you can again, if you want, you can enter. So here the 6286 the entry price we get actually, and current market price also the almost same level, 6289, and that range is profit right now. And if it achieve to 6300 now, then we can exit with that trade with profit. So we are waiting for its confirmation. Here the actual signal generated price and current profit after that price, the current profit and loss points is mentioned here. Actually 6300, if it reach only, we can exit with our minimum profit. Right now is 6296. So we are waiting for the target. If it market went up to 6300, you can exit with that trade, from that trade. So it's I told you, this is a resistance level. That's an important thing. If the candle break the resistance level now, then we'll get more confirmation. So it's an extra additional confirmation parameter. Rather than that, apart from these the three confirmation, this resistance level or support level also an important one. So if market again down 6292, and but I hope, because after confirmation usually we'll achieve minimum points. That definitely most of our trade is, if any sudden trend happen, sudden trend is happen in market, only the chance to went down. Otherwise it's definitely achieve our target. This is as of our experience, the prior experience, I can tell you that definitely if the confirmation there, it will achieve with the target. It's going down, but market should be like that. Some fluctuation will be always there, maybe up and down trend will be there, but always we can achieve a minimum target is guaranteed for the signal. So after the trade, we are just maybe more some tension is there, because if the signal confirmed or not. Yes, market got up to 6300 and its target hit. We get the message here on the below the re-entry suggestion part. We get the message target hit at 6300, and an alert message also that time will came. So we can more confirmation is again go down, go up. So if you want more profit, you can wait for the third target also. 6307 was the third target. Once usually this re-entry suggestion generate, definitely which will achieve 6307, because after this third target only next re-entry suggestion usually will generate. Is there any chance to generate next re-entry suggestion? Then only the chance after the achieving the third target. It's triggered the third target also. Well, about 6307. 6308 is the next target here. So you can exit, if you want, you can exit with next target as 6307. So this is how the software working, especially the re-entry suggestion working. So after that entry price, actually we get the entry price here on top, buy it like that. And if you can't enter with that entry, or after achieving the target only you see in the market, then you can wait for the re-entry suggestion. After re-entry suggestion, you can again enter the trade with the same buy trend. And once you get the re-entry suggestion and it's achieved the target now, but if the trend again continue, we will get next re-entry suggestion, next new near re-entry suggestion, and the new target will appear there. So that's the advantage of our software. This is a live demonstration you are checking. The same how you can check the live market also, live market demo. You just contact us directly. You can WhatsApp me or call me. My number 9061 308080, or you can fill up our contact form in our website. Anyhow you can contact us. So this is how the software working. Thanks for watching our video.